Okay guys, before we use edit curve tools, let's draw two straight lines first. You can hold your shift to draw a straight line, press enter, confirm the comment, and let me draw the second line. Cool. And let's open the edit curve tools. The first one is fillet curve. Click it, read your combo, select first curve to fillet. This is the first one, and also there are many options that we can choose. The first option is radius, and the second one is join. If we choose join yes, the two lines will join together to be one closed line. Okay, let's try it. Yes, and I can try input the radius maybe 4 and press enter. And then select your second curve. This is the second curve. Now, if we select the line, you can see two lines become one line, right? Okay. We will learn the other edit line tools in the later tutorials. Let's continue the next step. Now I'm going to draw a straight line, and let's see how to change this straight line to a curved line. We can use rebuild curve. Click it and select the line, press enter. And now you can see our original line is 2 points with 1 degree, right? You need to remember 1 degree in Rhino, it means a straight line. 2 degrees and 3 degrees means curved line. 4 degrees, 5 degrees, 6 degrees is also mean curved line, but it has better elasticity. I've explained it to you now. Okay, I may change it into 5 points with 3 degrees. Let me click OK. And turn on the control points. Now you see we have 5 points with 3 degrees, right? If I adjust it, you can see the line is a curved line, very smooth, right? But if I add it again, maybe I change it into 1 degree, click OK, you see it is a straight line, right? Cool. Let's go to the front view. Look this model. You can see the black line is 6 points with 1 degree, and the blue line is 6 points with 2 degrees, and the right line is 6 points with 3 degrees. And you can find the right one, 3 degrees one, has the best elasticity, right? Then we know if a line has a larger number of degrees, it will have a better elasticity. Let's try another one. We can change it into 5 degrees. And create a new layer. Draw a new one. You can change your degree in your comment bar. Now we change it into 6. It will have a better elasticity compared to the 5 degrees one. Let's see. Now you find these two lines, they are in the same shape. If the line is 6 points, the maximum degrees will be 5. If you create a 6 degrees for a 6 points line, the shape will be same to the 5 degrees, right? Okay, there is a question. What is the biggest degrees number for 7 points line? It will be 6. If you set it to be 8 degrees, it will look same to the 6 degree one. Okay? Cool. Let's do the next one. Now we are learning this one. Planar options here. You can see it in your bottom bar. Turn it on. And then we draw a line. And and you can see they are in the same plane, right? This line. But if we turn it off, let's try it. And you can see this line is a spatial line, right? The control points and line, they are not in the same plane compared to the orange one. Okay, let's see the other options in your bottom bar. Grid snap. You can see in the original plane, there are many grids, right? If we turn on the grid snap, you can exactly draw what you want in this grid, like this. If we turn it off, you can't find it. What is also, you can see you only can draw your lines in this way. And the planner, we have learned it. Cool, guys. Practice it. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.